These are the steps to the formula of an ionic compound. Join while we write them down. So you see, we have barium and iodine. Psych. Okay, today we're going to do writing chemical formulas for ionic compounds. What are the elements we have for element 1?
That's barium
ratio.
So, Miss Paige, how do you put that in the formula?
Okay, so first you have to look for the element in the periodic table and look at the oxidation number. So what's the symbol for barium?
Ba.
She done said it. Yes, she did.
What's the oxidation number for barium? Yes.
+2.
What's the oxidation number for iodine?
It
Yes.
has more than one.
Okay, what is it? Is it a metal or a non-metal?
It's a non-metal.
So we would be using the first oxidation number.
So that means it's a -1.
Yes. Okay, so what is the lowest common multiple for 2 and 1? Yes.
It's 2.
So we're going to put that in a little circle right here. So in this circle, it shows the total negative charge you would need, which would be -2, and the total positive charge, which would be +2.
Why do they have to be the same? +2 and -2.
So the overall charge can be 0. So coming back to your ratio, what would I need to do so the overall charge can be 0?
We need 2 iodines.
So we would need 1 barium ion and 2 iodine ions. Oh. Any questions?
No.
Okay, so we're ready to go to number 2. Can someone please read out what's number 2?
You do this stuff.
Aluminum nitrate.
So now you go to section E in your packet.
Okay, so what would be our first step?
To write down the symbols. There you go, sorry.
And can you go to table E and tell me what's the symbol for nitrate?
Nitrate symbol is NO. 3 -.
Okay, so what's the oxidation number for aluminum? Yes.
+3.
Good. And for nitrate?
-1.
Good. Okay, so going back to our last problem, what will we have to do so these can have an overall charge of 0?
Find the lowest common denominator. No, commons
Multiple.
multiple. There we go.
So what would be the common multiple of 3 and 1? I'm not
3.
sure. Oh. Now what would we have to do?
Now it has to be,
nitrates
you
will
have
we
to
need?
write 3 nitrates.
Yes.
And when you add it up together, it'd be -3.
Yes.
And for that side, it'd be +3.
So how would we write this?
Aluminum. Parentheses.
Yes.
NO. 3. Parentheses. 3.
Very good. This is the last one for our do now. So what do we have?
TNs. Sulfate. 2.
What does the Roman numeral represent?
That represents the oxidation of
Yes. So for 10, what's the symbol for 10?
SN.
And what's the symbol for so? Yes. No, not right now. You gotta wait 10 minutes into the period. Alright, so sulfate. So what's the symbol for sulfate?
Sulfates is sulfate is SO for -2.
So do we have to do any working out right here?
No.
No, because the charges are the same.
Yes.
Cancel out.
Good. So what would my final answer be?
SN SO 4. 4, right.
And there you go. That's how we do writing chemical formulas for ionic compounds.